Happy birthday, and the sun burned tonight. ko sana yung kalusugan mo unang-una. At syempre yung pamilya mo na mananatiling matatag na hindi naman si Parang Tonton para gabayan ka, ganun din ang iyong mga anak. Natutuwa ako dahil simulat sa pool, magkakilala tayo ay naging matibay ang samahan ng inyong pamilya, lalong-lalo na sa iyong asawa. Kaya Maring Neneng, wish ko talaga na maging maayos pa lahat ng karir o lahat ng darating sa iyong sa buhay mo. Pagsubok man yan o ano pa man, ay mananatili kang matatag at maayos, no? Muli sa iyo, Maring Neneng, hindi ko na pahabaan. Wish you good health and long life, syempre. God bless, Maring Neneng. Happy birthday ulit sa iyo, ha? Thank you.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am SP!
Happy birthday, Ate SP. God bless you more. Miss ka na namin. More bandings to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Neneng. Ingat po palagi.
Ayan.
Ay, Kirby, ano?
Ayan.
Hi, Neng! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless you more!
Enjoy! God bless you.
Enjoy your
yung
day.
depo mo. Happy birthday! 18 roses ka
Happy
ba?
birthday, God bless!
Bless po! Thank you for the invitation. Sana makarating.
Okay po, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye!
Hello ate, happy birthday. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Maring! At kay Panton, advance happy birthday, Panton!
Bye!
Happy birthday, KSP! Siyempre naman napupunta ako dahil every, ang tawag doon, every celebration mo talaga namang pinupuntahan natin yan, lagi natin yung sinusuportahan. At saka I'm very happy and honored na makakumbida sa iyong Golden ba o debut? O, diba? So, attend tayo dyan. So, see you and happy birthday! Okay.
Assalamualaikum, SP. Sincere birthday wishes to you on this very special day. May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and cherished moment with your loved ones. Accept my warmest regards and my virtual embrace as a token of my affection and good wishes. Once again, happy birthday. May all your dreams and aspirations come true. Enjoy! Sayang, wala ako dyan. Ang sarap ng kari-kari dyan sa Kabulalo. Bale, next time na lang. Enjoy your day. Masalama.
Happy 50th birthday, SP. I wish you good health, kahit healthcare worker ka, and then more blessings and happy family life. God bless.
Hello, Mars! Happy birthday! Ito na ang pinakihintay natin, but don't forget, age is just a number. Okay, I'm just one phone call away. Whenever you need me, I'm here. I love you, and ano pa bang wish ko sa'yo kundi good health, more happiness, and contentment in life. Andito na tayo sa stage ng buhay na wala na masyadong mahihiling kundi mga susunod pa like apo, no? Anyway, happy birthday. I love you. See you soon.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am SP!
50th birthday, SP! Amiga!
Ate SP, happy 50th birthday. Congratulations. Dual citizen ka na rin. I'm so happy and I'm so glad na naging parte ako ng buhay mo. Kahit na hindi man tayo laging magkasama, yung 4 na taon na pinagsama natin sa ospital ng Giginto ay hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Talagang thank you very much sa lahat ng payo mo sa akin, tinuro mo sa akin. And sana mas tumagal pa yung pagkakaibigan natin. And nandito lang ako kung kailangan mo ako.
Happy birthday, Maring SP. Maraming salamat sa tulong mo sa akin. At senior citizen ka na. Lovely na ID mo. Yoke. Wish ko sa'yo stay healthy and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Maring. God bless.
SP, happy birthday. Pupunta ba kami?
Happy birthday, Ate SP! Ano bang kailangan mo ipa-check up? I-check upin na kita. Pero alam ko naman ang sagot sa mga ano natin. Alam mo na yan, matik na yan. Shot po no! Happy birthday! Love you!
Tita Nering, happy birthday. Love you, miss you. God bless you. Inshallah, I will see you soon in the Philippines.
Happy birthday sa kumari kong maganda, sexy. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Kamusta na yung anak ko? Siguro mas malakas na sumipa ngayon, ano? Talagang pinahirapan ka na yan. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Neng. Wishing you good health and happiness. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita SP. God bless and we love you and miss you po.
Hi po, Lola Neng. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tita Neng. Thank you for being a cool tita to us. Wishing you all the best things in life. Stay pretty, stay healthy, and enjoy your birthday. Mahal ka namin.
Hi Mare, happy birthday. 50th birthday mo na. Ano pa ba mai-wish ko sa'yo? Wala na kasi alam ko masaya ka. Masaya ka sa family, sa trabaho, tsaka successful ka na. Happy birthday sa favorite nurse ng asawa ko. Yung ayaw niyang magpunta sa hospital pag hindi ikaw ang naka-duty. Aayain ko siya pero sabi niya, chat mo muna si Mare kung naka-duty. Alam kong one chat away ka lang, Mare. Alam ko yun. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo. Na-appreciate ko yun. Salamat sa lahat sa pagmamahal, tsaka sa true friendship. God bless, Mare. Love you.
Hello, Esperanza. Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang masaya. Magpakabait ka lagi sa mga pasyente mo. At ano pa ba ang pwede kong i-wish sa'yo? Maging happy ka lang. Okay na yun. And nandito lang kami. Ang Reels. Forever. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tita Neng. How are you? Happy birthday po. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Taneng. Enjoy your day. Lasingin mo sila.
Happy birthday, Tita Neng. Miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tita Neng. We love you.
Hello, Ate Neng. Happy 50th birthday, Ate SP, Kapitana. Wish ko sa iyo many more birthday to come. Stay good health. And dito lang si Consi, ang iyong kaibigan tunay na bumabati sa iyo. At nananatiling kaibigan mo para sa ating samahang Dabar Gods. Hindi magbabago. Happy birthday. And stay beauty. And stay humble to others. Bye-bye. Happy birthday sa iyo, Ate.
Happy birthday, Mama Neneng.
We love you.
More birthdays to come.
Hi, Ate Neng. Magandang araw sa'yo. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. God bless, Ate Neng. Happy birthday. Sakits.
Hi SP, happy 50th birthday sa iyo. Salamat sa regalong buhay ng Panginoon sa iyo. Nadagdagan ka na, golden girl ka na. I wish you all the best. Siya nga pala, si Stitch kulay gold na ngayon. Naalala ko yung favorite mo. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat sa trabaho mo. Wish ko lang sa iyo na huwag kang magbabago. Yung laging naka-smile at yung napakamalumanay na pagsasalita mo. Happy birthday. God bless you. Namimiss na kita. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Elena, isa sa mga kaibigan ni Best SP. Best SP, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay magkaroon ka ng magandang kalusugan, mabuting kalusugan, upang magkasama-sama pa tayong apat. Huwag mong kalilimutan, nandito kami para sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok natin, kahit wala na tayong mga ngipin, huwag tayong maghihiwalay bilang magkakaibigan. Best SP, again, happy birthday. Best SP, Mama Mary loves you. And I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Neng. We love you.
Happy birthday, teacher. Naalala ko growing up, pag nag-aaway tayo, whether ikaw ang tama o mali, ikaw ang iiyak. Kasi, alam mo na malditang bunso ako, and I had to win. But as we grown older, na-realize ko na ditchi kita. Not only you're my ditche, but you're my best friend. And I know that I can always count on you. Thank you for being such a supportive ditche and an amazing nurse of the family. Know that I am very proud of you, and you know that I love you. Have a blessed 50th birthday. I miss you all.
Happy birthday to the most fabulous lady of the night, Neng. Welcome to the Golden Girls Club. I am so happy and honored to be part of your celebration kahit virtually lang. Sayang wala kami dyan. But anyway, hope you will enjoy all the love and surprises in store for you. My prayer for you is may you always have a healthy life, not only physically now that you turn 50, medyo ingat na sa mga bawal na pagkain, but most especially spiritually, stay connected with God. I love you, stay blessed, and always be grateful. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Teneng! God bless! See you soon! Oh, bang! Bang!
Hi, Neng! Hi, Neng! Happy birthday! Happy golden birthday! Ang saya, sayang wala kami dyan. But anyway, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. And may you have more and more birthdays to come. Neng, ano bang masasabi ko sa'yo? Wala naman kasi we all know that mabait ka, maasikaso, matulungin. So, anyway, happy golden birthday. Okay? Enjoy. Bye. Love you, Neneng, and God bless.
Hi, Neng. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. So, sayang wala kami dyan. Swimming party pa naman. But anyway, enjoy your party. I'll be seeing you soon. So, magkita-kits tayo. Enjoy your party and hope for many more years of birthday to come. I love you, Neng. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Mom SP!
Ayan na. Oh.
Ano na babawasan?
Ayun na, okay lang. Salta ka na.
Happy birthday, Neng!
Oh, ano pa? Happy birthday, Neng! Sana maging masaya ka. Sana makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mong maging. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Basta kami. Sincere lang sa pag-care at paglalab sa'yo. Happy birthday uli!
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you.